A lot of people, they always ask me like, hey, are you brushing your teeth with these? But no, I'm using it for the hair. My name is Juliette in Ouden and I'm the Global Advocate of Global Beauty Concept. And this is what I have in my kit on my travels during the international photo shoots. One of the nicest things to show you what I have in my kit, it's a pin. Like I got it from a model in Kenya. I braided her hair, she was so proud, and then she gave me this as a present. It already traveled with me all over the world and I'm always using it when I will do braids. And then I have another favorite one, and that's the Global Beauty Concept comb. Normally I use a afro comb, but while using this I always receive the feedback from my models that it less hurts. So that's why it's also one of my favorite ones for type 4 coily hair. And of course also my favorite products like the dry shampoo, the working hairspray, the airy texture spray. I have them all in my kit. Also the shaping cream, it's one of my favorites to make the hair more flat but also to create some volume during the blow dries. The pomade, I'm using it for like nice sleeky hair, but also for eyebrows. It's insane. Like I'm using it with an eyebrow brush and I apply it in the eyebrow. One of my favorite ones, the enhancing water. I use this also for textured hair to create like beautiful shapes, but also even when it's very hot and the models are a little bit sweaty, I'm also using it to spray it a little bit on the body to get more fresh, but also on the face. Everybody is always very happy when I bring it with me. And it smells amazing. So it's really nice also to spray it a little bit on the face. Then I have some different brushes that I use. I have like more like a paddle brush without any balls on the end because that pulls the hair out. And I have also this brush to prep the hair and to create like a lot of volume on the roots. Then I have these brushes. This one I use it for like polishing the hair, but also if I have like a hair updo, like to tease the hair, but also like to make it more straight and put it in a bun. And this one also to unknot the hair. And then a funny one, because a lot of people, they always ask me like, hey, are you brushing your teeth with these? But no, I'm using it for the hair. Could you imagine that you make like a tight ponytail and then the small little hair, the baby hair is flying away? Then I'm using these brushes to control the hair. But also when I would like to create like nice, beautiful hair sticked on the face, I'm also using these brushes to create this. I think one of the most important ones in my kit are these. These are the Upins. I'm always using these for hair updos, like if I have like a really good prep and also like curls in the hair and I'm on location and I need to like a really quick hair updo. I only have to use like 4 or 5 pins and I'm really quick done. I travel a lot from extreme weather conditions like really hot to also very cold and stormy, or like maybe we are going onto like a mountain and there's like a lot of wind, and I prepare my kit always like do the weather conditions. Of course I always bring the shaping cream in these weather conditions, but also the pomade. It's one of my favorite ones. I'm more using products that makes it more sleek as well. When there's humidity, I'm always using products to hydrate the hair because it gets more frizzy. So then the Hydrate spray conditioner is really good to use also as a base. But also I'm really in love also with the hand and hair cream. Like it's also like a very like lightweight product, but it still gives you like less frizziness as well. And of course I also have my hot tools and I'm using these ones, like this one as my blow dryer, but also this one. I cannot without this one. It's ergonomic, so if I use it as a curling iron, I only have to use it like this so I can always leave my shoulders straight. So it's better for my body. Because I'm also a makeup artist, I'm always doing hair and makeup on my photo shoots during all the travels. And I'm using always my own brushes It's the nice thing is that I'm not only using it for makeup, I'm also using it for hair. This brush, I can use it also for flyaways when I don't have my toothbrushes with me. But also, like if I cut hair, I always use this one. It's a quite big one as well, and it feels so very soft as well. My all-time lifesavers, like during a shoot on top of the mountains, and we had to do a hike from almost 4 hours. So the only thing that I could bring was this, because I could use it for the eyebrows, but also for hair. And I also had the hand and hair cream with me, because I could use it for hair, but also to use it for the body, like as a hydration cream. The hairspray also like in a mini version. I think with all these products, I can do everything. Thank you for joining me, what is in my kit, and see you next time.